Hi and welcome to another video of series sharing experience. Today we learn how I do SEO for automation sites. I'll share how to get keywords and pages stats from Google Webmaster tool. I'll share how I create SEO strategy and how and where I outsource the off page. So for example for today, I'll share with you the strategy what I'll going to do with site decor99.in. I have shared this site many times for reference or as a sample site. This is complete automation directory site I have created with scrape data from Google My Business listing. So this site already got 3000 plus pages indexed in Google. Now let's see what I'll do to do its SEO. For that, I'll first check the Google Webmaster stats for the website to see for what main pages this site is ranking for. I'll see what are the pages which got good clicks or impressions in last 3 months or last 28 days. I'll sort by last 28 days to check what keywords or pages are getting more traffic. Like architect in Madurai, this page is getting 11 clicks and out of 336 impression. So I'll check for this particular page for what queries this page is generating traffic. Like it's ranking for the main keyword architect in Madurai now, and it's on already on position 14.4, means it's already on second page. Now let's check it manually. Architects in Madurai, this page has this particular keyword has 880 volume, so it's good for me if I work on it and rank on it. Now let's check the competition. Directory 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 one competitor, I think, a directory of Madurai, two directory Sulekha directory, three competitors, Facebook page, and here I am. So what I'll do is now I open the page. And check what more I can improve in it. Like you see, its main keyword is used 4 times here. Architects in Madurai. Oh, sorry, 17 times here. Now I have a Chrome extension installed on this Meta SEO Inspector. It gives all the common SEO tags used in our website. I could say as for on page for this pages I have already done for like on automation for all the pages. Now what I'll do is I'll add more content for this page here or in the first fold. After the content, I'll go to the Fiverr or SEO clerk and order basic off page. For before going to SEO clerk or Fiverr, I'll create the strategy to work on it. Now like on first page I already saw, I skip the directories like house.in and just style Zingy Homes because these are the not main competitor. Main competitors are these Tag Architects, particularly the homepage, the site for which homepage is ranking. These are my main competitor which are working to rank on this keyword. What I'll do is I'll check what are they doing best. This is a classified site. I'll skip it. Again, this is a direct. This is the main business, which is not doing the like good on page. I think. Yeah. So it can be outrank. Again, the second site. It is using content, and keywords are in. Keywords usage is good, so they might be doing the on page, and their DA is also good, so they might be working for off page also. So I'll go to my Ahref. I'll go to my Ahref site explorer and paste the site here. To check the backlinks or other keywords this site might be ranking for. It has low DR but good URL rating. It's ranking for 30 more keywords. Now I'll check the backlinks of this site. It's loading. Yeah, a business site, one link per domain, link type do follow, and I'll sort it by DR. Now as you can see, they are using very basic foundation type backlinks. So what I'll do is I'll now from like checking the SEO for 2 3 main competitors. Now what I'll do is I got my strategy to get number of backlinks. I'll create a sheet on what are the main backlinks top 3 competitors have, what are the type of backlinks they have, what is the quality of backlinks, and depending on that I outsource the off page. Like first I'll go to the SEO clerk and order the web 2.0s for the main page, and then I'll get like some tier backlinks. I have created my like own sheet for off page SEO with SEO clerk. This sheet. Like if keyword is more competitive or low competitive, depending on that, I do this. I order these gigs from SEO clerk. Like first I give social signal for $1 from SEO clerk for the first month. This is the gig. It's opening. I'll order this gig for social signal for the home for the page, and after that I get this Tumblr Web 2.0s. I'll order this Tumblr PBN network for the basic 5 or 10 Web 2.0s. I create manually before ordering this gig, and I'll order this gig for that Web 2.0s to create tier. Now again for second month, I'll again order this gig 25 high quality Web 2.0s, and I'll do it in tier again. Again for variation links, I get this video, image, doc share links for again third month Tumblr. If depending on the jump in ranking or stats, I go to third month. Then these are the extra gigs. I have created the list. Similarly, main what you have to do is you have to check what keywords your site is ranking for, because with automation site, like you see, your with automation site, like you see, our website get 1,000 plus keywords in Webmaster. Now you have to check what are the main keywords your website is ranking for, what are the main pages your website is generating clicks and impressions. You can sort by number of impressions your website is getting, like interior designer in Chennai is getting more impressions but less clicks, means this its position is not well to generate the clicks. So what I'll do is I order off page for this back for this particular page and keyword. Again for Ahmedabad, again this is the listing. I'll this is the listing for business profile page. I'll check why this page is getting more impression. It's home lane, city name, reviews. I think it's main business. Now check for the volume. Now I'm on 6.3 position. It's showing here, and it has 260 search volume. Now you see I have added the schema, local business schema. That's why my website is visible here for the reviews. This is the website. This is the page. This is the navigational keyword intent, because if someone is searching for home lane and the city name Gachibowli, so the user might want to go to the this website. He might not come to this page. So I will skip this page because ranking for that won't bring much potential or anything for me. I'll go to the main keywords like interior designer in Kolkata. And one more thing you can do is you can filter with the queries with main keywords, like interior designer is the main keyword for this website. Interior designer, architect, and modular kitchen is the main keywords I want to rank for this website. So I'll check for the what are the keywords or cities it's already ranking for good. I'll sort the list by position. Like you see, best interior designer in Delhi, it's showing position 4 but less impressions. Then I'll sort it by impression. Best interior designer in Kolkata, position 53. List of interior designer in Bangalore, position 77. Now, depending on the position and number of impression, I create strategy for the keywords. Similarly, you can do that for your own websites, your own automation websites. You have to find the what are the keywords your website is generating more impressions and check the position. And depending on that, create your own strategy for off page. And there are many marketplaces like Fiverr, SEO Clerk, and there are many good off-page SEO service provider on Facebook, which provide good backlink services. Like to name, I got some backlinks from Santosh Kumar. He's providing good service to me. I bought his gig for profile backlinks, and it gave me good results. Now, so depending on that, you can do the SEO for that for your website. I have created this sheet for me for the gigs SEO service provider. I can show you my purchase also. Login. And as you already know, I also own this Pirate X agency. I have some in-house backlinks interns for creating backlinks. So I ordered them to create backlinks also. This is my website, my agency company website, SpiderTex, where I provide digital marketing and SEO services to the clients also. Now, like you say, create 100 manual SEO social signal, Web 2.0s with account, do follow backlinks, comments, social bookmarks. I create strategies using these and don't use them directly to the main site. I create manually backlinks like Web 2.0s and profile links I create manually. And then for tier links, I use them. You see, I create 25 high T social profile backlinks. Some of them are good sellers, so I get their service for the main website also. I get service for the only person which I have trust. Like this was the website I had for Amazon affiliate. So this is how I gave them the order for homepage. I gave them the order to best products, brand name, best buy, click here, visit website. These are the anchors I gave them to create Web 2.0s, to create the authority of the homepage so that the website rank well. You see. Similarly, you can create for your own. Main thing is main takeaway from this is you have to find the keywords and pages your website is generating impression for. Now, depending on the position of that keyword and page, create your own strategy. Order the off page, or you can do off page yourself also. You can do Web 2.0s, comment backlinks, guest posting, depending on the competition and position of that page. You have to check for the top 3 competitors, top 5 competitors. Don't take the competitors like Just Dial, Sulekha, and listing sites you see. Don't take them as your competitor. They can be easily outranked with these websites. We are also a directory, but we are working for the keyword, particular keyword, but they are ranking for their authority only. Like Onpage, they did well, and their domain has good authority. So that's why they are ranking for that particular keyword. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something on how to do SEO for automation websites. If you have any doubts or queries, you can put in comments or in the Facebook group. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you next video tomorrow.